Rain and cooler temperatures were the weather story in Oklahoma this week, at least for most of Oklahoma. Wednesday gave us a view of how unfair Oklahoma weather can be. Wednesday afternoon, the highs for most of the state were in the mid-60s, all that green. Down in the southeast, in the red areas, Wednesday afternoon highs range from 80 to 90 degrees. And those air temperature differences showed up in Wednesday afternoon soil temperatures. Temperatures for bare soil in the red areas range from 80 to 90 degrees, like the air temperatures. Yellow areas were above 70. Soil temperatures were in the 60s in the green areas. Long-lasting heavy rain visited western and central Oklahoma this week. A 4-day rainfall map from Sunday through 6 p.m. Wednesday evening showed where good rains fell across central and western Oklahoma. The folks in the blue and white map areas in the southeast and east had little to no rain. Mesonet locations in the green map areas ranged from more than an inch to under 4 inches. Yellow areas were above 4 inches. The rainfall came at a time of real need for newly planted winter wheat and canola. Wheat belt soils have gone from extremely dry to excellent soil moisture. Here's Gary with a look back and a look ahead.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, after that burst of fall with the great moisture across parts of the state, I have good news and bad news for the drought outlook. It'll be easier to show you than tell you, so let's go right to the newest Drought Monitor map. The good news is we've eliminated some of the drought and abnormally dry conditions across northwestern Oklahoma, but the bad news is that we've started to expand it even more down across southeastern Oklahoma. So we still have just a tiny bit of moderate drought up in Harper County, but we still have plenty of that abnormally dry yellow across the state, and again, expanding across southeastern Oklahoma. Now let me show you why. This is the departure from normal rainfall map from the Mesonet for the last 30 days. And we can see we've sort of caught up across the western one half to 2/3 of the state, but the eastern third, even closer to a half of the state, is still well below normal in rainfall, especially as we get over into east central down into southeastern Oklahoma. Again, that's where that D0 abnormally dry conditions, that's where that expanded from last week to this week. Now, as we look out into next week, we do see increased odds of above normal temperatures, so our bout with fall might be over for a little bit once again, not necessarily up into the 80s and upper 80s and low 90s, but at least warmer than normal. And we also see increased odds of above normal precipitation. So that would be good news if we could get some more moisture in here. Unfortunately, the odds aren't too great down in southeastern Oklahoma. So as we go forward, we're going to need more moisture down across southeastern Oklahoma to prevent drought development in that area. Let's hope we get that over the next few weeks. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.